SLDP stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Solid power is great, you know, 14% up is phenomenal. I'm definitely still, my previous idea was bearish and that delivered. And now if you don't believe me that it has delivered, actually it's all good. Let me show you the proof, because I have a video made at the beginning of this year for 15th of January, and you can see since then I've been just bearish. Since this is freaking delivered, all I can tell you is that it's a whole different freaking game now, because it's starting to pump up. I'm not saying like this forever, but for right now I'm very open-minded for longs. It's pumping, and therefore I'm looking to double down on the trend, and that means that only if I see the price correcting down a bit, doesn't even have to tap my demand zone, but as long as there's some sort of confirmation, then only then I'm looking to buy. Randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.